What's up, guys? Alright, today I'm gonna make a quick video. Pretty much I'm exchanging the side skirts because I personally do not like these. They do this weird wave thing. I don't know if you can see it. Like, you can see it more in the corner right here, but it does a weird wave. So this is the new one. This is actually like more sturdy plastic, I think, than this. So I can work with this better than I can with this. This is just like more rubber. It's super flimsy, and personally I don't like it. So when a lot of people ask me where are my side skirts from, there's a reason why I'm gonna tell you guys, because I don't like them. But these ones, I'm gonna put the link down below. Hopefully they come out nice, man. And the difference with these, because of this little fan on the side, so we'll see how that looks. All right, so I'm gonna jack the car up and show y'all. All right, guys, took off the side skirts, but check this out. I pick them up, right? Look how much they just flop. These ones, they're 3 pieces, but they don't flop as bad. And I feel like they're just made better, honestly. Like, I don't know. But what I am gonna do is clean this up. Because of this, I'm gonna take off the plastic dip at that line right there. Alright, guys. Oh, okay. Anyways, I cleaned up the bottom of it. You can see now it's like a fresh line. Alright, y'all. And after a couple minutes, the side skirt's on. I'll show you how I pretty much mounted it in there. Screws, and that's a soft tapper in some places. It kind of moves a little like that, but it's cool. It's whatever, I ain't tripping. But yeah, y'all, I went ahead and installed that. It looks way cleaner now. It looks even. I feel like over here it looks like it's super out, but whatever. But yeah, it's way better than that. I like it. Pretty much screws in the bottom. I put like 4 or 5, and honestly it's not bad. Like, I ain't tripping. I don't think it'll fall off anytime soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower it, do the other side, and I'll get back to you. Alright, guys, I took off this one, and what you're gonna see here is what's fucked up in the first time. Like, if you can see here, see how like it's like straight in. Yeah, I one time put the jack here and it just like sunk all that in, and now I gotta live with that for the rest of my life until I trade it in and I don't tell them about it. But yeah, pretty much the second one's going on, and I'll go ahead and pretty much update y'all later. I'm pretty much just screwing it on. It's pretty simple stuff. So I'm gonna show you what they look like, and I'll let you know if they're worth it. And yeah, and I'll show you guys in daylight after. So alright, guys, and like after an hour or 2, the side skirts are finally on. This one went on more flush and more receded, and I had to go back and fix this one because it was sticking out like a whole bunch. Like, it was like that much more out, and I didn't like that. So this looks more clean. Yeah, that looks super clean actually. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go pretty much, you can't see much of it right now, but I'll get some day shots and I'll go through it and pretty much a walkthrough of everything. Right? Alright, what's up, guys? This is the next day. I washed the car. The side skirts are on now, and it looks way better. Like, it looks so much better. Like, it doesn't wave, it looks straight. So much cleaner than the other ones. This kind of grew on me. At first I was kind of iffy on it, but it kind of goes with the front lip, which is like that. So yeah, kind of plays with each other. Like, the car looks super clean. Like, I enjoy it. But yeah, guys, if you guys don't have a side skirts, I would definitely recommend it. But I would get a front splitter with it, because if not, it kind of looks kind of weird. It kind of plays, you know, together. But yeah, it looks super clean now. Yeah, looks nice. Alright, y'all, and that's it. I just want to make a quick video on the side skirts. I'll put the link down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Pretty much I'll put in the sizing as well that you need for this specific model. But thanks for watching. Thanks for all the new subscribers, everybody who's tuning in, watching the videos. If you haven't, subscribe, like the video. Peace out.